Hi folks, Steve Miller here with Mercury Racing. I'm the Director of Customer Experience, and today I'd like to talk to you about our all-new 400R V10 Outboard. It's a really exciting new addition to the Mercury Racing product offering, and I want to tell you a little bit about what sets the racing model apart from the rest of the V10 offering. We start with the base platform, which uses our QC4 technology, which actually dates back to our stern drive product from 2010. And it's still cutting edge to this day. It helps the engine breathe and develop power, and we've enhanced that with a custom performance calibration that raises the RPM by 200 over the standard V10 platform, so it's a 6,600 RPM engine. We've also incorporated a larger 92mm throttle body with an upgraded, more responsive servo motor, so it's flowing about 32% more mass air into the engine to help it breathe better and develop more power, and that enhanced servo motor gives you a lot more throttle responsiveness in the process. We've also added a fuel pressure sensor, which helps with transient torque and gives you a better throttle feel as well. And as we work our way down the engine into the midsection, we've got higher durometer mounts, which means that they're stiffer and they're more responsive and they help the boat handle better in high-speed operations. We also use guide plates with a tighter clearance, again, to help you really have the best possible handling experience on the boat. And then as we work our way down to the gear case, we have two gear case options. The tried and true 544 HD, which is a little bit more of a submerged application gear case, needed for boats that need a little more help lifting and getting up out of the water and a little bit more trim authority. And then for the ultra fast boats, we have our Sportmaster gear case, which is designed to run surfacing on vessels that are up north of 100 miles an hour. For more information about this exciting new platform from Mercury Racing, visit mercuryracing.com/400R.